Welcome to Hodgepodge 2025 UAE. Star Thoughts. I'm the host for today, Harshita Modgil. So let's welcome our judges for today, Ms. Pranavi and Himani. Hi, judges. So are you ready for the grey color? Let's get started. Let's welcome the first participant of grey, Eva Tressa. Now let's welcome Havanik. Now let's welcome Huda Saras Khan. Now let's welcome Bhavyami Vineet. Now let's welcome the last participant of grey, Dhanwin Suraj. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Siva.
Yes, wow. What color are you wearing today?
Grey color.
Grey color. What do you like about grey? Is it that it's so pretty and you can wear it with everything, right? Wow, and what are you holding now? What is this? Show it to everyone. Show. Wow, what is this?
That is elephant.
Do you like how elephant is so big and strong? Yes, what color is elephant?
Grey color.
Yes, and what other things are grey? What else is grey like? Rocks? Rocks are grey, right? Is there anything you want to say to everyone who's watching this? Look over there at everyone. You want to say anything? Hi. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Give a high five. Come here, come next to me. Look at everyone. Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Heavenly.
Heavenly. What color are you wearing today?
Grey.
Grey. Wow. What is this? What animal is this? Come here, come here. What animal is this? Look at. Sorry? Owl. Is this an owl? What color is this?
Grey.
Grey and white, and there's a bit of yellow in there. But grey is the main one, right? It's so pretty, so fluffy and cute. Is that what you like about it? Yes? Do you love the color grey? Do you like it? What's something that's very pretty about it? That it's so grey, it's so pretty, right? You want to say anything to everyone who's watching it? Yes? Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Give a high five. Bye. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Huda.
Huda. What is this? What is
Teddy
this?
bear.
It's a teddy bear. But is this an animal or a bear?
Grey.
It's a dog, right? Wow. And I see even your hoodie has a dog. So are you matching it with the plushie? Yes, wow, that's so nice. What do you like about a dog? Do you love dogs?
Yeah.
Yes, what do you like about them? that they're so cute, big, and they're like always playing around? Yeah, wow. And I love what you're wearing today. Is this your hoodie? Did you choose it?
Yeah.
I see there's different shades of grey on it. That's so nice. Is there anything you want to say to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes? What? Tell.
Hi.
Hi, cute. Can you show the puppy to everyone? Cute. Thank you so much. High five. Bye-bye. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Bhavyami Vinit.
And what are you wearing today?
I have a great color dress.
Wow, it's a grey colored dress. It's so cute. And I see your hairbands are matching your dress. Did you choose the hairbands? That's so nice. Like you came up with the idea. And what is this?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Wow, can you show the rabbit to everyone? And what do you like about a rabbit?
I like to take it because I like it. It's very, very cute.
Right, even I love rabbits. You know, I have a rabbit and it looks the same. Does your rabbit eat carrots? Wow, really? Does it eat anything else?
He can eat only carrot.
Eat only a carrot.
He likes it.
He likes it. And I see it has a pink nose like your shirt. The girl is also so, are you matching that? Wow, that's so thoughtful of you. Thank you, Bhavni. Do you want to say anything to anyone, like everyone who's watching it? What do you want to say to them?
The rabbit is very cute because he has cute eyes and cute face.
True, that is so true. Thank you so much, Bhavni. High five. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi. What's your name?
Tanvin Suraj.
And what color are you wearing today?
Grey color.
Grey color. Wow. And I noticed one thing. Your shoes are also matching. That is so cool. Like everything is matching. And what are you holding now?
Elephant.
Elephant. Wow. Well, do you like elephants? What do you like about elephants? That they're big and strong and they're super kind, right? Yes. Have you ever seen an elephant in real life? Yes. Have you touched an elephant? No. Do you want to touch an elephant? Do you want to say anything to people who are watching this? Yes. What do you want to say? Tell them. Tell them about the elephant that you saw. Hi. And can you show the elephant to everyone? Show it like that, the proper face. Have you seen how an elephant drinks water? It drinks it from the trunk, you know? It drinks it from the trunk. That's cool, right? Nice. Thank you so much. So now let's see what grey group got. The first contestant is Eva, Miss Himani, 44. And now Miss Pranavi, 44. Wow, congratulations. Now let's check the points of Hivini. Miss Himani, 39. And Miss Pranavi, 39. Congratulations. Now let's check points of Huda. Miss Himani, 45. Miss Pranavi, 47. Cute, congratulations. Now let's check Bhavyami's points. Miss Himani, 49. And Miss Pranavi, 49. Congratulations. Now let's check the points of the last contestants, Dhanwan's points. Miss Himani, 40. Miss Pranavi, 41. Congratulations. So now let's see who scored the most points.
It's Bhavyami with 98 points.
With 98
Yes.
points. Congratulations. Judges, can I please have your feedback?
Absolutely. grey, as we all know, people say it's such a boring color, but the kids were so vibrant. They were amazing. And Bhavyami's performance was out of the box. I never expected her to speak so nicely. And all the kids presented their props very nicely. They were confident with their walk. They all were amazing. But Bhavyami's speaking, that took me amazing. That was awesome. Congratulations, darling.
Yeah, it was difficult to choose from them. Everyone was confident, but Bhavyami was more confident and she performed very well. Congratulations, Bhavyami.
Now let's call Hodgepodge chairperson Dr. Krishna Priyadarshan.
So how was the grey team?
It was amazing. They made it look so nice.
Okay, who got it?
Our winner is Bhavyami.
Yes, Bhavyami, come. Even I also did not expect you will win, huh? It was so nice. Huh? You want to say something? How you feel? Good. Excited? Huh? Okay. You want this prize? Huh? You want this? Huh? Oh, you're taking home, huh? Okay, shoot like this, huh? Okay, and a certificate for you. Okay. Yeah. Smile. So I think we never expect grey as very good, no?
Yes.
But still, this round was so good.
True.
We choose only different colors like pink, red.
The bright colors.
Bright colours, yeah.
And this color, even though like I didn't expect much, they made it look so nice and they were so confident.
And they bring the props also. It's
Yes.
Most of them wear the elephant, I think.
Yeah, true.
I think elephant is the hero today.
True. As they're strong, I think it became the hero. Now we are at the end of this episode. Thank you so much for joining us today. And now we'll meet you in the next episode next week. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Harshita and it was really nice having you in this show. Thank you so much. Bye bye.